Yes. Okay.
I mean, your pictures.
Okay, so we are now in page 9.
For fuck's sake. Would you like to sit?
He waves me. He waves me.
What?
He waves. He waves me. What the? How do you wave someone?
The white leather buttoned L-shaped couch. His office is too big for just one man. In front of the floor-to-ceiling windows, there's a huge modern dark wood desk that 6 people could comfortably eat around. It matches the coffee table with the couch. Everything.
When it's a sex scene or something. I will help you.
Oh my god. Okay, where's the sex scene? Faster! Sex scene, please! I'm just
What the
kidding.
hell?
I love our artist, children, says Gray when it catches my gaze. They're lovely,
Raising the ordinary to extraordinary.
I murmur, distracted both by him and the paintings. His cock.
He cocks his head to one side and regards me intently. What the hell? Oh my god, you lost! No. Wait, no. Anyone? I couldn't agree more, Miss Tele.
He replies, his voice soft and for some inexplicable. I find myself blessed. Apart from the paintings, the rest of the office is cold, clean, and clean. I wonder if it reflects the personality of the Adonis who sinks gracefully into one of the white leather chairs opposite me. Mr. Gray says nothing, waiting patiently, I hope, as I become increasingly embarrassed and flustered. When I pluck up the courage to look at him, he's watching me, one hand relaxed in his lap and the other cupping his chin and trailing his index finger across his lip. I think he's trying to suppress the smile. Sorry, I'm not used to this. Take all the time you need.
You need to stutter here. Do you know how to stutter?
Sorry. How?
Sorry. I'm not used to this.
Sorry. Pressing the start button on the recorder,
I tried to look professional.
You're very young to have amassed with such an empire. To what do you owe your success? I glanced up at him. His smile is truthful, but he looks vaguely disappointed.
Business is all about people, Mr. Lee.
And I'm very good at judging people.
Wow. So he gets money, so he gets mega rich by just judging people.
What? Is that called business?
I have no idea. I think it's business there.
I employ an exceptional, and I reward him all. He pauses and fixes me with his gray stare. My belief
is to achieve success in any scheme, one has to make oneself master of that scheme. Was it scheme or seam? Scheme, right?
You've had to sacrifice a family life for your work. It's not a question, he stirs. Sorry. I squirm, and this made me feel like an errand child. I try again. Have you had to sacrifice a family life for your work? I have a family. I have a brother and a sister, and 2 loving parents. I'm not interested in extending my family beyond that. Are you gay, Mr. Gray?